Hey yo guys, what's up? Glenpots here and welcome back sa akong channel. This is my third vlog. And if you guys haven't watched yet my first and last vlog, I'll put the link below. And today's topic is about vlogging and editing the vlog video. And if you are an aspiring vlogger, beginner, or you don't know what to do, you don't know who to ask for, or you can't find any resources in the internet, well, this is the right video for you because I'll be sharing my ideas about vlogging and what are my recording devices that I'm using, and gears and the editing tools. So let's start with the devices. There are a lot of available devices now. We have DSLR, GoPro, drone, vlogging cameras, mobile devices. So if you can't afford those expensive recording devices, well, definitely you can use your phone. Just that when you do the recording using your smartphones, you need to do it like in horizontal recording like this one. Because if you do it like in vertical, when you're gonna upload the video on YouTube, ipo full screen yung makikita ng mga viewers nyo po. A really good key point na you have to do the recording to a horizontal way or yung nakahiga yung phone natin. Next up is yung tripod. What I am using here, guys, is Joby Gorilla Pod. And so this is usually used by the established vlogger, and I bought this for like 2,400 pesos. This is very nice tripod because you can put this anywhere. It has a very nice grip and very handy and user-friendly gear. However, if you are in budget, you can definitely buy another brands in an affordable price. So you have your own choice. Sunod naman po is yung sa lights. Usually vloggers, they have this called rim lights. Ito yung mga ginagamit nila during indoor recording kasi it really gives you nice quality of the lights from the indoor recording. However, if you don't have budget for this, you can definitely use the natural light. Ang importante lang is you have to find a right angle na hindi against the light, and best time for recording is early in the morning and late in the afternoon. Sunod naman po sa microphone, lahat po ng mga devices na meron ako are built-in microphone. So, when you are using built-in microphone, you must avoid recording in crowded places or open windy area kasi nakaka-capture ng mga device natin yung background noise from the surroundings. So, kung may budget po tayo, mas maigi pong bumili tayo ng external microphone kasi this will definitely filter and minimize the background noise from the surroundings. So yun lang po ang mga basic gears na ginagamit ko, yung tripod, lights, at saka yung microphone. Aside from that, you can add more accessories that you need. Let's proceed naman sa editing application or tools. Maraming available editing application online. However, I am using iMovie, so it is under Apple. If you are using iOS, you can definitely use this for free. And if you are using some other brands of phones or devices, well, there's a lot more available online. With the iMovie, this is very user-friendly, easy to use, and affiliated with iTunes. Kung meron tayong music or nasa loob ng iTunes natin, you can find this in the iMovie. Isa pang good thing about sa iMovie is wala pong watermark after you edited the video. Next is yung sa background music and sound effects. This definitely gives life to your video vlogs. So I just go to YouTube and search on my choice of music, and then I copy the link from the address bar. Tapos nag-open po ako ng another tab or page or website na tinatawag na anything2mp3.cc. So this is the website where you can convert the link from YouTube into an MP3 file. So you just have to download it into your device, and you may import it to your video editing application. Sa stickers naman din po, gumagamit ako ng emojis usually. Dina-download ko na po yun siya sa google.com. Ang ginagawa ko is I type in the stickers like laughing emojis, and I add PNG word the emojis na yung gusto ko kasi this will definitely stand alone emoji, wala pong background behind sa stickers na gusto natin. After you have edited the video, you may now upload it in YouTube. And then pagkatapos then make sure na meron po tayong tinatawag na customized thumbnail. Ito yung screenshot na during sa vlog natin or yung choice of photo na para sa front view niya before ma-play yung video. So, ang ginagawa ko dito is I go to canva.com. It's a free website where you can edit your pictures with captions and emojis and anything you want, and it's for free. You just have to log in and sign up using your email accounts. And this thumbnail definitely gives more views, and because it will definitely attract your viewers.
Eventually.
I hope you guys like the video and learned something about this. And also, if you have suggestions or ideas, just comment below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and that would really mean a lot to me. So let's grow together, guys, and see you soon again for our next vlog. Bye!